Hideaway. The patented hideaway feature allows this bedrail to tuck between the mattress, out of sight. Extra long. 54 inches long, hinge point, and 20-inch tall for added security. Do not use abrasive cleaners or bleach when cleaning. Easy to set up. No tools required. Secure. Anchoring strap that secures the bedrail to the bed. Lead-free. Fit. For use with a twin to queen size bed. Only for use with bed and box spring. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect fit for a king bed. I am currently sleeping in the middle of a king bed with a county sleeping infant on one side and occasional toddler sleeper on the other side. I was excited to find an extra long bed rail and bought 2 for both sides. I love it. Set both up tonight only took about a half hour by myself, with a toddler helper not doing much help. 2 people could put one together and set up in no time. Fits perfectly for a king bed and is a perfect length, almost covers the whole side. Extremely happy and well worth the money.